Hello, today we are going to harvest some bananas. This plant has been here for around 3 years. A friend of ours gave us one plant with one little sucker. We put it into the soil and this is what happened. 3 years later we have 7 bunches of bananas, and today we are going to harvest one of them, which is probably the oldest. People say it takes about 9 months for bananas to fully ripen. We are going to take them down and see how long they will take to become ripe and yellow. So let's do a quick walk around here. We have a few young ones here on this side, and this one is looking good here, pretty ripe, but not ready yet. We'll leave it there for longer. And a few more here. This one here, it's a quite small one, just above, touching the telephone line and internet cable that is no longer in operation. And we carry on here. A few more on the side here. We'll do a full circle. And one more here, above my head. And there as well. So this is the one here that we are going to harvest today. And because the plant itself, it only produces one crop, so after that we are going to chop it and put it underneath as a mulch. And keep recording. I'm just going to cut this one. Support. Okay. And let's do it. You can come under here. Come closer. Nice and heavy. Okay. So this is the beautiful, nice. It's quite heavy. I'm guessing maybe 12 kilos. So it will come here. And now we are going to chop the plant. Now it's time to cut out the stalk nice and low, and this will become a perfect moist compost and mulch for the plant, for the banana circle. So which side? It's quite big one, very wide. I'm just using an old timber saw, which will do the perfect job here. So, full of water, so it's very heavy, and you can feel the drops there. Now we'll do chop into small pieces, and here we also put all the compost from the kitchen, all the food scraps we gather from fruits, vegetables, anything from the kitchen. All green compost comes here, and this provides nutrients for these plants, as well as water and the rainwater and everything else. So these will take about, maybe I'm guessing 3 to 4 weeks to ripen fully, and we'll let you know what they tasted like. Enjoy bananas, they are amazing.